Happy day, folks. This is Brian White, your Global Enablement Specialist from Veritas Technologies. And I hope that you all are safe and secure and healthy in this time of this pandemic that's happening globally. Family is important, so make sure you're taking care of your family first. That's right. Now, I'm also excited about a new release of Veritas Backup Exec 21.1. Woo-wee! Brand new release, all for you all, the customers and our partners, and everybody that's out there that needs some data protection. Now, if you don't know about Backup Exec, I'm gonna tell you real quick. It is the simple, secure, and unified solution for streamlined data protection. That's right, it protects your virtual environments, your physical environments, and also those environments that you have up in the cloud. Multiple cloud protection that we can use with Backup Exec. Now, Backup Exec, we release multiple releases of the product throughout the year. So first, I want to say 2 thumbs up to our engineering team, because even during the pandemic and everybody working remote, we are still releasing products on time. That's right, on time. So great job, guys. Now with this new release, we got some special things there. So what the transition that people are doing going to the cloud, you might have some file servers that you have on-prem, but now you want to move those things up into the cloud. Maybe with Azure File Shares or AWS FSx shares, right? Well, Backup Exec can protect those environments and the data that sits on those managed shares up in the cloud. Because you got to have cloud protection, right? Yes, you do. Now, we also have something special for those folks that are running SQL AlwaysON availability groups, because you got that high availability of all those transactions that you're doing, but you gotta have them protected. That's right, because you want to be able to recover at any point in time across any of those availability groups, and Backup Exec can protect those environments. Always stand in the game protecting critical workloads for our customers. Now, when you also think about that data, you got to make sure it's protected or encrypted so nobody can access it except those that are supposed to. So you know we already have ransomware resilience in the product, where we're protecting and locking down the Backup Exec server from injection coding hackers. And then the data that we back up to a disk, we're locking that data down where nobody other than Backup Exec can delete it, move it, manage it, or encrypt that data. So if someone gets hit with a ransomware and they have the option to pay or not pay, don't pay if you got Backup Exec, because we're protecting that data and you can recover that data and continue on with your business, which is the most important part of growing your revenue, is being able to continue running your business, and you want that data protected. For those folks that have already been using Backup Exec's 256-bit AES encryption, we now have a new option for you in that encryption as well. PBKDF2, Password-Based Key Derivation Function 2. We're always here to make sure our customers get the latest and greatest and options that they want to use when it comes to encryption. Now, for all the things that Backup Exec brings to the table, as I mentioned, it's very simple. But some folks still might want to test a lot of different things with Backup Exec or understand how they work. We've introduced the Virtual Learning Lab. It is a completely hosted environment, nothing else on-prem, that all you have to do is log into, and you can run 20-something plus modules of Backup Exec to learn all the different things that Backup Exec can do. That's pretty slick. Now, for those people that are running Backup Exec now, with this new release, go ahead and upgrade to it. It's always good to be on the latest release of Backup Exec. For those folks that aren't running Backup Exec, well, hey, go to backupexec.com, download the trialware, take it for a test drive yourself. You'll be installing and backing up data within 20 minutes, and you will be able to see how simple, secure, and unified Backup Exec is. Now, with all this information, you don't have to take it from me, but you probably should, because Brian said so. And I want you to make sure that you're staying safe, staying healthy, right? And keeping a smile on your face at all times. Backup Exec team is here for you, making sure that we're producing the products that are important for you to protect that data, for you to grow your revenue as a business should. Now, please enjoy your day and be safe and take care. I'm Brian White, signing off. Have a good day, folks.